Okay guys, today we do the 3.5-inch speed test. I added a GPS to my Kuhl 35 and we do some different lipos and just see how fast it can go. Let's go. I set up Betaflight so that it can detect the cell count on the lipo, and that way I'm able to fly 6S as well. So the Betaflight detects if there is a 6S or a 4S, and then it switches the motor output limit basically. Okay, this is the 4S lipo I used to warm up the GPS. Let's go for the first run. So that is over 160, and we go back the other way just for good measure. And we get 112. Okay, let's land and put on a full lipo. So this was with 4S, and now we put a full 4S on it. See how that does. Yeah, perfect landing, by the way. I have to say that I'm using a slightly higher camera angle than usual, and I'm not used to it. That's why the landings don't look as sharp. So this is the lipo I'm using. That's a 4S 560 DocCom. I'm also using my balancer clips so that I don't get the balancer into the prop, and then it just goes into the lipo catch like this. I plug it in and we are ready to go. This will be a lot more complicated with the 6S because I am using a 5-inch strap all around the quad. Okay, let's go. Also the GPS got 10 satellites, which is pretty nice. I'm flying down here. The video is pretty bad here. Okay, let's go. It's almost 170. Let's go back the other way. I saw 117, which might average out to about 150. I don't want to overdo the lipos. This is pretty strenuous. Let's see if we can land upside down. Yeah, we did it. I mean, land right side up. Let's go. Okay, now we switch to 6S. I got a 560 Tattoo R-line and a 600 CNHL pizza, speedy pizza or something. Okay, so now we got the I have to do it like this. Yeah, that's better. 6S over here on 8% output limit, and Tattoo R-line 650 and I'm using a 5-inch strap to strap it down. That's one from RC Hangar that they sent me for free with the last package I got. Okay, now let's go and see if 6S does us any good. If we can go faster with 6S. I have a feeling that we just maxed out on the props actually. Oh yeah, they pull. Let's go. We are cruising at about 90 km/h, which is pretty good. Let's go for the run. 176, but we had a little jerk there. Not sure what that was. Might have been an ESC issue. Oh, oh yeah. I think we overdid it with the 6S. Let's see if we can find it. The dog is already there basically, so that won't be a big issue. I can already see the orange, which makes it the best color for a FPV drone. Let's see if we find it actually. Los auf! Hast gefunden? Prima! Maybe I shouldn't have gone for the second punch when I saw the jerking. Let's see if the frame survived. It is looking pretty good actually. Let's see what the problem was. Let me take off the lipo very quick. So on first inspection I don't see any real damage besides the bent antenna. The motors look fine, the props look fine. I think that was just ESC desync probably. I think we still go for the second 6S and see how that does and if it actually flies. And I'm for sure not going to hand launch it this time. But I saw a 176 on the first run. So that is currently our maximum speed that we achieved. So this is the first start after the crash. We don't hand launch it, of course. And let's see if we arm and if we fly. It is flying. Let's just send it. So 176 is the goal. Let's go. $182 and on the way back. Almost 130. So we average out to 150, 155 maybe, which is pretty good. And we are cruising at a much higher speed than I expected for a 3.5 inch. Let's land. So this time we survived. I think it might have been just the ESC desynced. So the quad is actually fine. The electronics are fine. We are alive and we did top speed 182, I think, which is pretty good for a 3.5 inch. I'm happy. Also, if you want to support me, you can go over to my other video I did the last time, and there you can give me a like and I get a chance to win FC if I get the most views on the video. And then I can use that FC to do a speed test on the ERA, because all I'm missing for the ERA build is ESC, is FC actually. So I would love it if you give me a view on the video. See you guys next time.